Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of L hospital. So now I will show you how to answer. Suppose that the function f is continuous. We have s equal to number 2 and we have the limit in here. Now, the question number 1, we need to find f of number 2. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have this limit in here. When s approaches to number 0, so we put number 0 in here, number 0 in here. But if we put number 0 in here, you got about 0. So, but we have number 5. That means they apply about 0 over 0. Later that they can use about L hospital. That means this one is about 0. So on this one, numerator should be equal to number 0. So for question A, we have f of number 2 minus 0 minus number 3 equals to number 0. When put s approach to number 0 cone here. So this one we have f of number 2. Negative number 3 I will put on the right, and we have positive number 3. And this is the answer for question A. Question B. We apply L hospital on numerator and denominator. So they should be like this. So we do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have negative f of 2 minus s with first derivative in here. Because we do first derivative of 2 minus s, you got about negative number 1 in here. That's why we have the negative sign. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. The next one, this one we have 2 cosine s. And we know that when we put number 0 cone here and here, we will have negative f of number 2 with first derivative over number 2. Cosine 0 we have number 1. And we know that we have number 5 in here. So we can find the value of this one. So I will put number 2 and negative sign go to the right. And we have negative number 10. 5 with number 2 and negative. That's why we have negative number 10. And this is the answer for question B. Now the last one, we want to find an equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to f of s at s equals to number 2. So the formula of the tangent, that should be like this. So this one, that is about negative number 10. And this one, that is about number 3 in here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.